welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with chapter number 25 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is paragraph heading. So what is paragraph writing basically? जब भी हमें एक टॉपिक प्रोवाइड किया जाता है और उस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन जितनी भी इस हमारे पास होती है, तो हम उस नॉलेज को भी फ्रेम डिफरेंट सेंटेंसेस, वी यूज दो सेंटेंसेस टू create a paragraph, right? And hence, by grouping those words, those sentences in a group is called the paragraph, right? So, as you can see, the various examples we have been given over here for your practice. So, let us read them first of all. So, here we have the topic which is discipline. So, let's read the paragraph about discipline now. Discipline is necessary to live a proper life. Discipline is the key to success for everyone. Means developing the habit of self control and obedience to certain rules and regulations. Many people believe that discipline means a check on their freedom, but in reality, it's just the opposite. A man without discipline is a ship without a sailor. Organizational pieces follow discipline, otherwise, there will be a total destruction of the universe. Discipline is necessary for the progress of an individual as well as a nation. We cannot even dream of a life without discipline. It ensures a peaceful and durable life. Then polishes our personality and helps us to live a systematic life. Moreover, in the life of a student, discipline plays a vital role. One wants to lead a successful and happy life, one must be disciplined, right? Moving ahead, next we have the importance of internet. So again, we have been given an example of paragraph writing for you all, right? So let's read this paragraph to know the importance of internet. So the internet is one of the best inventions of the 20th century, has revolutionized almost every field of activity. The internet has opened new doors of knowledge, has changed the face of every human activity. Men, commerce, banking, knowledge, education, art, culture, healthcare, warfare, and scientific research. Man has a natural curiosity to seek new fields of knowledge. The internet provides unlimited resources of information and knowledge. You can easily get the latest and most authentic information on any topic while sitting at home. The young people can easily satisfy the quest for the latest and the best. Is a thing of past when we used to talk to waste lots of time to get knowledge. Now, without wasting time, the people can gather much knowledge and information. It is especially most important for students. They can utilize this boon of science in the best possible way. Right? तो एज यू कैन सी कि यहाँ पर हमें बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हुए हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्वेश्चंस सो दैट यू कैन प्रैक्टिस योर राइटिंग स्किल्स हियर so that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are very clear about writing a paragraph, how you're going to write it, how you're going to frame the sentences, and many more things. So that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed it. and you all gathered a lot of information from here. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.